Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can set your Snapchat story public. So let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the three-dot menu beside the Add to My Story option. Now tap on the story settings. After that, select the Everyone option. And that's it. Now your Snapchat story is visible to everyone on Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.